Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about new chapter 10, that is circle. So, students, you have already introduced in previous class what is a circle. Circle is a closed figure, closed bounded figure, and it is a 2D dimensional shapes. So now you have across daily across for the shape of round for look here, your car, wheels of car, and the clock, dial of the clock, ring, your shirt button, and bangles, the shape of bangles. So these are the many examples you have to see in our daily life. So now, but in this chapter you have learned the proper the circle and its related the terms for radius, diameters, chord, line segments, sectors. These are the terms of the circles, and it's related to properties of circles. So now let's we start our topic, that is circle. So circle, what is a circle? The collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane is called the circle. Suppose here we given the point, and this point are around. This is the point. The circle is the collection of all points. These are the points, and in joining in this point, so this make a circle. So the collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point, that is called the circle. The fixed point, this fixed point is called here, draw a circle. This fixed point is called a center of the circle, and the fixed point is called the center of the circle, and the fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. The radius, in other words, you can say the radius is the line segment. Radius OP. Here OP is the radius and O is the center point. So the radius is the line segment joining the center and the any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. Here we given the point. Suppose here this is a circle and this is a center point, and the distance between the center, this is called a radius. Here the different radius and the equal length, each radius will be equal length in a circle. Now here we draw the circle. This is a center point and this is a radius, and the AB is a diameter. Diameter is divided in the diameter is a line segment, longest line segment, which divides into two equal parts, which divide the circle into two equal parts. So now let's we start diameter. A chord which passes through the center of the circle, so center of the circle is called the diameter of the circle. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle, and all distance have the same length, which is equal to the lines two times of radius. Here suppose here we given the circle, and the in this circle there are the infinite diameters and the infinite radius, and the each diameter will be equal length. Each diameter will be equal length and each radius will be always equal length. And the radius will be the diameter equal to 2 times of radius, and the radius equal to half of diameter. Here D is represented by the diameter. So this is the terms for the related of the circle. Now start our next terms.